Do you like starting fires? Me too. So to say that the power supply in my computer is janky would be an understatement. I mean, it looks like it was dragged out of the bottom of an Afghan well. However, that all changes today. I'll finally be able to say goodbye to bomb ignition system and hello to computer power supply. It's not here yet. I have to put it there in editing. As a lot of people know, when building a computer, the power supply, in my opinion, is probably the part that you least want to cheap out on. I mean, this thing is responsible for powering every component in your system, and one small problem and your whole computer dies. Now, I say that, but I have a power supply that looks like it was made before Half-Life 1. Do as I say, not what I do. So yes, I got a new power supply from the lovely NZXT, who is responsible for the case my computer is currently in. And while pretty old, I gotta say, I mean, it's held up. Look at that thing. I would smash if you know. So yeah, I won't delay any longer. Let's get to opening this thing and putting it in my malnourished PC here. Alright guys, so we are on my floor because I don't have a work table. Here, this is weird. Why don't I... Hey guys, so we're on the floor because I don't have a work table. And we're using this camera's microphone because before I was recording audio with my computer, but that's my computer, so... I'm almost embarrassed to show this, but this is my current cable management. Only excuse I have is it's really hard with a non-modular power supply and you only use like half the cable. So let's fix this up, shall we? Alright, so we've gotten to the end. What are my thoughts? So, of course, that unboxing experience was amazing. I mean, in proper NZXT fashion, they included more than you could ever need. I mean, I've never seen a computer peripheral come with an actual reusable cable bag. Very nice touch. But yeah, it was really easy to install. The thing feels really high quality, nice cables, nice unit, everything about it just seems great. Haven't had it running for weeks yet, so, you know, whatever. No smoke yet. So, would I recommend this power supply? Absolutely. It's an extremely high quality unit. The model I got, the C750, delivers 750 watts, which is more than I need. Not to mention, it's 80 plus gold rated, and all at just over $100. So I absolutely rate this power supply to anyone looking for a new one. This is absolutely great. So thank you all so much for watching, and I really do hope you enjoyed. I hope this helped you. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, make sure to hit like and click subscribe as well. It does help me out, trying to get to 1,000 subs here. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.